So basically, this hatchet is supposed to be really tough and durable. I have a Fiskars splitting axe that I love. Don't even want for another axe or maul, to be honest. So this one is basically made the exact same way as that one. And this is made in Finland. It's pretty cheap, at maybe 30 bucks. I can't remember. I've had it for a little while now. I've been splitting quite a bit of kindling with it. I like to use a wood handle hatchet for kindling. Just don't, you know, this thing's nice. I trust that it's going to be around probably forever if I don't break it today. Anyway, previous video I did a kind of a review and then a torture test on it. See how strong this plastic handle is. It's hollow all the way through. And I'm going to attempt to redo that now, a little more serious. So let's get going. Okay, so first things first, I like, this is still pretty sharp, but I like to touch it up a little bit just because I'm going to be kind of doing a performance review on it. This will be a better view. Nice little knot there. So I mean, it's good. It's not the best hatchet I've ever used, but it's solid. You know, and these things are supposed to be, one of the best attributes of these hatchets is just their durability. So I mean, the steel is good, it's sharp. I did an extensive review on the actual edge and the steel, and let me just say it's medium quality. Like it's a good quality steel, you can tell, but it does dull a little faster. It's a little bit softer steel, but it's really easy to sharpen. And razor sharp sharpening. So it's not the greatest steel in the world, but it's totally adequate. I mean, I'm not sure how much kindling you guys want to see split, but yeah, it does the job. So let's go actually test this thing's strength. Okay, here's my plan. I've got this hatchet supported on both sides, barely, and just to prevent my tire from hitting it, the edge, and to focus the load even a little bit more, which will be more likely to break this hatchet, I've put a 2x4 ramp basically. So as I drive forward, it'll put all the load distributed over this 3.5 inches, right pretty much dead center of the hatchet. So we're gonna see how this does. I'm try to film it from here, and I'll try to film it from this angle. We'll see what happens. It's gonna be a lot of weight. This is a full-size truck, and we only got one tire over it, but that's a big challenge. I'm not sure I'd trust a wood handle to do this. Oh, failure. Oh, that is not what we wanted to see. Well, there goes my hatchet. You see people driving over these things. Yes, they will drive over these hatchets, but they will not support the weight of a truck. Yeah, I'm happy I did this. Let's take a look at the damage. Okay, so that's probably gonna wrap up our testing for the day. You know, this stuff is strong, I tell you. Yeah, I heard it snap, and you can see it buckled right there. What's interesting is it didn't break on this side. It broke from compression, not tension. That plastic on the bottom side, you know, was sitting like this, just stretched a little bit, and this you can see the wrinkles from it compressing. And I guess it just the force became too great and it just snapped. So we distributed that load pretty well, and it took it well. And to be completely honest with you, I could still use this thing. It's still strong. Like, I'm pushing on it, it's not even hardly bending. So wow, this is one heck of a material. But yeah, I could still use this. It's crooked, so I don't want to, but wow, I am surprised. It's like a fully functioning hatchet still. That is nuts. Okay, well, so it doesn't shatter. I thought it was gonna shatter, but it just it popped. I mean, it kind of shattered. It just yielded, but it was like a violent yield. It just, yeah, it still has integrity. So that's pretty cool. These things are impressive. So here's the deal. Now that I've successfully broken this hatchet by running over it with a half-ton truck, I'm going to attempt, I want to see if I can fix it, really clamp it down. If I can bend it back into shape, maybe I can fix it to where it's actually usable. Okay, so I have a couple ideas for this. First, I want to just use just a punch. So if I can't, okay, this plan did not work. So I guess running it over really stressed all of this material, and it just became brittle, and I don't think it actually did. It was still solid, but I don't think it did have any strength left. That failed very easily. I didn't really put a lot of force on it. This thing is useless now. I mean, I can't put a new handle on this. It's just a hunk of medium quality steel. So, yeah, this is almost a garbage item. I am gonna take this apart at a later date and see exactly what the shape of this metal is inside, so stay tuned for that if you care. Okay, so that is the end of that. One more quick little addition. So now that we have a broken hatchet, really sharp edge, might as well go ahead and see how durable this edge is. I saw sparks flying. I don't know, it really almost split the edge. That is not a good looking edge right there. I'm sorry it had to happen.